and welcome to day 22 of 25 Christmas cookies from around the world with the Cookbook Kitchen, and I am Carol, and today we are making Dutch Christmas cookies. I can't pronounce the name and I won't attempt to pronounce the Dutch name, so let's just call them Dutch Christmas cookies. Today we are cooking from our website. As always, I'll put a link in the description. I've forgotten the name of the website. Oh Lord, I've forgotten the name. But watch out for, watch out. Check the link in the description. You will find it there. The website says this is an easy recipe for some traditional Dutch Christmas cookies that are delicious and can also be hung on a Christmas tree. Welcome to today's video, and let's see what you're working with. On the table today we have an egg, castor sugar, lemon zest, vanilla and almond extract, baking powder, flour, butter. This is a very simple recipe from what I've read on the website. What we're going to do now is just pour everything in the bowl, mix, and put our dough in the fridge. We are back. We're going to roll our dough, then cut, and put our cookies on a tray. This is a cookie cutter that I'm going to use, and I will use this to make a small hole once I cut out like this, and then this one I make a small hole. Oh yeah, it's time for Christmas. Then we cut. Once you're done cutting, we're going to brush our cookie with a beaten egg. Then sprinkle with some sugar. and some sliced almonds.